Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add Instagram post frames to your videos in the CapCut mobile. So just prepare your video that you want to add the Insta frame, and after that just click on Effect, Video Effect, and here swipe through the category, then select a D vlog category, this one, and just scroll down and choose this Insta frame. Click on that, and that's it. Click on the check icon, apply it to the entire clip like this, and you are done. So this is my video with the Instagram post frame. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.